I am contemplating कि should I do like break this into 2 videos or should we do this one, because if it's a one single video then this will go up to 20-30 minutes. So if it goes too long then I'll be breaking this, and if I've broken this video then hi, I'm linking the earlier video somewhere here. Basically I'm traveling to Mexico. Ignore the mess behind because I'm packing for 3 people and I'm also doing some sorting for Webhub. So let's begin. Sara planning I have shared in the earlier thing, and today I'm going to be packing lingerie, accessories, toiletries, and my jewelry, hat, cap, वो सारा. तो चलो let's dive in. Let me show you कि आप कितना छोटा सा सामान लेके जा सकते हैं and what other things, like what things to use. Sorry. Okay. पहले शुरू करते हैं accessories से. Okay, let's begin. So this is like a play mat. ये ना this got very popular for kids toys because इसमें you can add and then you can pull it up and वो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें it holds. So this I'm going to lay down because सारा मैं इसी में पैक कर रही हूँ. I don't take boxes or anything. So this is the one that I use for toiletries. If I do inside out to just show you, ये जो pockets है ना ये सारे, these pockets are good to put कांच का bottle. So for example, if I put it like this, this is inside out. मतलब ये अंदर रहेगा, but then everything stays in its compartment which I like and that's why I use this one. फिर ये बड़े वाले जो compartments है उसमें ये bottles चले जाते हैं और ये छोटे जो net वाले compartments है उसमें skin care चला जाता है. So it's quite good. Okay, so let's start packing. Okay. Because we're off for, like I said, 14-15 days, 2 weeks basically, and I don't use hotel ka shampoo conditioner. My hair is used to this and we are going to be every day in the pool or in the beach, so conditioner bahut chahiye hoga. So I'm taking a fresh bottle of conditioner. I use the Shea Moisture. I've been using it for 2 years and I absolutely love it. So there goes my conditioner. I'm taking a fresh shampoo also. I have a habit of having the same shampoo conditioner. And then I have this, I take the face wash by myself. I don't use the hotel face wash because मुझे हमेशा ये होता है कि पता नहीं what brand they are using and I don't want to spoil my skin. So I take my own face wash. So generally for hair and face ये हो गया है. Now I don't take like skincare in the sense मैं अपना retinol, glycolic, I take nothing. I take extremely basic because a vacation है. I don't want to like go through the whole 7-step regime. And second, I want to like just chill. Okay, so मैं ये इसमें pack करती जाऊँगी. This is my Moroccan oil. This is great for skin and hair both. तो hair अगर काफ़ी rough हो गए, then this is my Moroccan oil. Then this is my vitamin C जो मैं सुबह sunscreen के पहले लगा देती हूँ. Then I have this tinted sunscreen because I don't do makeup या anything. हाँ, मतलब मैं कोई concealer foundation तो वैसे भी नहीं है मेरे पास, और मैं vacation पे तो कुछ भी नहीं करती हूँ. Sunscreen is a must. छोटी सी बॉटल है but ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए. बच्चों के लिए I have an unseen sunscreen from Supergoop. ये हल्का सा, I don't know if you can see, हल्का सा tinted है, मुझे निकालना नहीं है to waste. So it's little tinted which I like. So मैं और कोई highlighter वगैरह लेके नहीं जा रही हूँ. I'm just taking this. So this is my skincare that I'm taking. Basically इतना. And let me pack quickly. Oh yeah, sorry. Moisturizer, how can you forget? So this is from Trader Joe's. My friend gifted me. It's quite nice. It's a moisturizer and this is again hyaluronic serum boost. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ because I have a hyaluronic serum boost, मुझे शायद मरुआ oil, ये Moroccan organ oil नहीं चाहिए because both of them do almost similar work I think. But I'll take this because ये बाल में भी चलता है and चहल के बाल में भी चलेगा. So this is the skincare that I have. You know, always make sure that each bottle is tightly pressed क्योंकि flight में है and then you don't know what will happen. Okay, now comes my kajal and all. ठीक है? So first I'm taking a black kajal. This is from Shembor. और मैं ना whenever I take kajal for travel, I always take the pull-up वाला. I don't like the sharpener one because वो बहुत मेहनत होती है. Then I'm taking a green one. ये भी again it's like roll-on. It's not a sharpener one because again I have to carry sharpener and if you're in a rush बच्चों के साथ तो हो जाता है. So I'm taking these 2 pencils. ये मेरी एक बैग के ये छोटे छोटे ट्रांसपेरेंट से पाउच होते हैं वो उसमें I will keep so I can see what it is. Even a big one ना have small compartments ताकि वो आपको easily दिखे. So this goes my 2 pencils. Now lipstick. I will actually take a lip balm. ये Pixie का Rose Flash है and where is my lip balm? Okay, I will find my lip balm, but I will take a lip balm. And I am taking this Huda ka Bombshell, and I'm taking this MAC ka Meher. Now everything is very simple, like I don't take colors. Kyunki na, if I wear like a red, then what happens is आधे ट्रिप में वो कलर चला जाता है and then it doesn't look nice. So I'm this thing कि मैं red लूँ या ना लूँ, but 99% I'm not taking. और ये all these rose nude kinds, ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. I got this from Bite Beauty. It is so bad. It stinks. So I'm taking, अगर पहना तो पहना, वरना I'm just going to dump it in a dustbin. So yes, I'm taking these 4, 1 lip balm and 3 lipsticks, all nude shades. काजल वाले pouch में मैंने डाल दिया. Okay. Now I'm taking 1 more pouch and I'll always take a nail filer अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो. I'll take a plucker, not to pluck eyebrows or anything, but ना बच्चों के साथ जा रहे हैं and if you need to कहीं कुछ वो कांटा लग जाता है या कुछ, then this plucker comes handy. And I'll take a tiny nail cutter so that you know these are like some kits that I have. और इसमें I have हल्का सा सुई धागा, वो कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है. दिस मस्ट बी एटलीस्ट 10 years old जो मैंने बना कर रखा है. And it is just like this. So ये सारा, this is my essentials kit. ये कभी काम में नहीं आता है, but I'm just going to put it in this essentials kit. खुलता भी नहीं है, लेकिन it's always better to have. Now in this next kit, इसमें I take some, I have used this earbuds. These earbuds for my makeup removal and all. तो इनको मैं एक छोटा सा ziploc में पैक करके I'll take these and I will take some cotton sheets. So इन सबको ना मैं एक हल्के से ziploc में I will put first because they need to be neat. So I'll take a tiny ziploc and I will put my cotton sheets. Hotels में मिल जाता है, but you know this is for some days कि अगर hotel में नहीं मिला तो, and I have to remove like my kajal every night. It's a compulsion and earbuds help. Oh, I take a small makeup remover also. I don't take my cloth or anything. ये makeup remover है. इसको मैं, you know, in the perfume section or in one of the bags I will just put. Now comes an interesting part because मैं और this is for me and Chehel both, and she has her hairbands also. So I have this एक so I have this like a Ziploc bag. I don't know, कुछ आया था इसमें. I'm going to put all our rubber bands and hair bands. So just one together for Chehel and me. और ये ना I am taking so many these rubber bands क्योंकि ये rubber bands तो घूम ही जाते हैं. कितने भी लेके जाओ कम पड़ते हैं. And I take 2 clutches ताकि जब बाल गीले हैं डालना है, then you know it's just done. I will also pack 1 scissor. मैं भूल गई, but I'll just pack it when I get up. And I'll put Chehel's things also, and then I will pack. Okay, so ये था toiletries. Now when I go for vacations ना, I don't take like any necklaces या कुछ, मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता. I take a lot of fun easy earrings. मैं ज़्यादा accessories नहीं लेती हूँ because I take a lot of colorful clothes. So I take very like I take statement accessories, but I don't take so much जो मेरे पास है. Okay, so I'm taking these 2 cloth earrings. They are very simple. They are fun. They are statement. कभी भी पहनो तो you know it's so big, it looks nice. So I'm taking this 1 earring, this 2nd earring. Then I'm taking this black earring, the black and white one क्योंकि वो हमेशा अच्छा लगता है whenever I wear it. And I'm taking these Evil Eye one, again statement ones. I take light statement earrings a lot. And I'm taking these plate earrings. ये मेरे favorite है, पता नहीं if I'll wear it or not. तो मैं इसे या तो gold and silver पहन सकती हूँ या I can do silver and silver. I'm not sure. So I'm taking these. And I'm taking these statement ones. They're like nice and boho. तो ना अगर मेरा outfit is like just easy going white t-shirt and a blue jeans. So even if I add like one of these earrings, it's gonna look nice. So these are the earrings I'm carrying. Simple, always carry some simple earrings. So I am carrying gold में ये वाला, the simple one, and silver में I am carrying this simple. So that अगर कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा है, if your outfit is too printed, too color, कुछ नहीं करना, then these will work. So now what I will do is, ये जो छोटा सा pouch है ना, इसमें I'm going to add all the simple earrings. फिर ring, I've taken one gold, one silver, that's it, one color. मैं वेकेशन में सच में बहुत कम एक्सेसरीज पहनती हूँ. आई डोंट एन्जॉय. सो मैं ना सारी डेलिकेट्स है, जैसे रिंग्स है, छोटे छोटे ईयर रिंग्स है, वो सारे मैं इसमें डाल रही हूँ ताकि आई कैन ईजिली फाइंड इट. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अ बिग प्लास्टिक बैग and I'll put all my cloth earrings and everything in this ताकि वो मुझे एक साथ मिल जाए. So all my earrings are here. They are not going to like bump into one another and work. And this is vacation. अगर मैं अपने कोई pearl या कुछ लेकर जाते then I would store it properly. But this one is good. Accessories हो गई. So basically jewelry हो गई. I have done my makeup, skincare जो भी है. I'm taking 2 hats. I'm taking this fun one. I like it. मुझे लगता है this is going to be my go-to hat. And I'm taking this. इसे मैं extra ही ले रही हूँ just for like some days. So I'm taking this. I'm taking 2 hats. एक के अंदर एक डाल देती हूँ so that this shape retains. Then I am taking ये एक bum bag. This one. और ऐसा ही एक ब्राउन है मेरे पास. आई एम एडिंग अ पिक्चर. वो मुझे ऐड करना है. आई एम थिंकिंग मैं ब्राउन लूँ या कोई और कलर, बट 99% आई एम टेकिंग ब्राउन ओनली. एंड आई बी टेकिंग 2 सनग्लासेस क्योंकि नॉट बिकॉज मुझे लाइक आई एम ओके विथ वन ऑल्सो, लेकिन सनग्लासेस इज अ कंपल्शन फॉर मी. सो अगर इफ आई लूज माई सनग्लासेस या कुछ हुआ देन आई वोंट बी एबल टू सी इन द सन. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट वन. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 10 years old. I love them. These are from Tommy Hilfiger. Oops. And this box is from Chumbak. And these are from Tom Ford. ये बहुत expensive है. ये Web have gifted me for our anniversary last year. So इसे तो मैं बहुत sparingly I use because they're really expensive, but I love them. So I'm taking these 2 sunglasses. Like I said, sunglasses are a compulsion for me. Sunglasses done, hat done, bag done. Shoes तो like I said, I'm wearing my sneakers and मैं एक कोल्हापुरी चप्पल लेके जा रही हूँ. So we are sorted. So accessories are done. To maintain the shape ना, मैं generally ये hat में कुछ ना कुछ pack कर देती हूँ ताकि this whole गोल गुम्बस वाला shape retains. Okay, we are done. Now let's move on to lingerie. अगर आपको ये पेपर याद है then while I'm writing all the outfits that I'm going to wear, I also write down what lingerie and what accessories and all to take ताकि packing becomes easy. So I have written down that I need a black bra, nude bra, pasties, cotton panties, seamless panties and socks. So I know मुझे इतना ही pack करना है. So let's begin. इतना mess है. Alright. First let's start with the bra. I will be packing the nude bra. और मैं like this is my nude bra. If you want to see lingerie videos, I've done tons of lingerie videos on YouTube. Just go and see. This is a nude bra. I'm taking a strapless nude bra. I don't think I will wear it, but फिर भी I'm just taking it. The black one I'm not packing because the black one I'll take with me. Then I'm taking a cotton panty. Whenever you're taking a cotton panty is important क्योंकि it's very hot where I'm going, so then you know it won't be comfortable. So I'm taking 5 cotton panties क्योंकि 15 दिन है. I'll obviously wash it. I'll need 2-3 only, लेकिन फिर भी for safety sake. अच्छा, you can put your bra one under the other like this and then take your cotton panties और नीचे रख देना ताकि ये ना ऊपर का shape retain हो. So I'll leave it. I'll show you like a top video. So I'm taking 2 seamless. Seamless मतलब if you look at this तो यहाँ ये होता है but seamless में नहीं होता है. And I just bought this underpants for periods. I have my periods during those times in those 15 days. तो I'm not going to use the period underwear. I also have a video on what is a period underwear, पर travel में difficult होगा, so I will take my sanitary pads. So वो मुझे list में add करना है. I have to take my sanitary pads. पर मैं अभी डाल देती हूँ before I forget. This is from this is from Uniqlo. This is quite nice. I love these panties क्योंकि ना वो it soaks up. So पूरे दिन भी अगर if you want to wear, I really like it. So I'm taking this one, and I have this one from Luna Love. But this I find more comfortable than a Uniqlo one. So let's see. हो गया, and then where are my pasties? Oh, and I'm taking pasties क्योंकि whenever I don't want to wear a bra या कुछ strapless है, I am pretty comfortable wearing pasties. It's not reusable, so I'm taking 1, 2 and 3 for 3 days. I think it's enough. ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए होगा. For now we'll wear a bra. What else? And I'm taking 1 socks, 2 socks, 3 and 4. So this is my pack. All right, that was it. Ye video is in 2 parts. The first part is where I'm packing my clothes, and the second part is packing all the accessories for 15 days. I hope these videos are useful, and I'm gonna do one video on my trip to Mexico and, you know, did I actually wear this clothes? Jainee, itna sara you did planning and all, but did you actually wear this clothes? Then I will do that video to prove to you. I am taking a break, so there won't be video for a week or 2, and I'll see you again. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please hit that subscribe button. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.